From peptide synthesis to cell-based analytics, workflows remain fragmented and manual, creating data gaps, inconsistencies, and unnecessary rework. These gaps directly impact product quality, leading to variable purities and low yields that slow every promising candidate. When development moves toward manufacturing, everything magnifies. Variability that was manageable at a small scale becomes a major source of risk, where consistency and control are everything. Disjointed records compound compliance pressure, increasing the chance of audit findings and jeopardizing timelines. But imagine the power of a fully connected lab. Every instrument and workflow linked in real time, giving teams the insight to make faster, more confident decisions. Global service, method development support, and hands-on training keep instruments compliant and workflows optimized, establishing a strong data baseline in R&D. That foundation carries forward. The data, process knowledge, and control parameters built at the bench naturally extend into development and manufacturing, enabling smoother tech transfer, more reliable scale-up, and consistent performance at larger scale. This coordinated approach delivers proven results: faster development, higher yields and purities, and stronger compliance. It's how we help move your peptide programs from bench to bulk with confidence. Together, we advance peptide innovation across the entire journey. METTLER Toledo, your partner in precision.